Papa, yip yip.
What are you doing?
I was so close. I'm trying to bend, okay? That's what I'm doing. Now I have to start all over.
And the swole comment of the day is this comment right here. For a chance to be featured in the next swole comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment below.
Hello, my swole babies. Welcome back to another video. Can you guys guess who I'm eating and training like today? I'll give you a hint. If you don't know yet, then you're just doomed. I'm eating and training today like the Avatar. Avatar: The Last Airbender was my favorite show when I was a kid. I used to literally get pissed at my friends because my friends didn't like the show. And I would call them and be like, hey, are you guys gonna watch Avatar tonight? And they're like, no, Christina, we think that show's weird. And I was like, well, you guys. Enjoy the video. Okay, so I found a workout from a website called superherojacked.com. I chose a calisthenics workout. Here's the thing, I've never done calisthenics before, so I don't know how this is gonna go. I think it'll go great. Oh, whoa, hold on, wait. I'm gonna be doing 5 sets of 25 push-ups, 5 sets of 20 sit-ups. That's not that bad, I could do that. 5 sets of 15 dips, 5 sets of lunges, and then pull-ups, but I don't have a pull-up bar, so we'll figure something out for that.
So I know all of you who saw my eating and training like Mulan video are probably like, you had a pull-up bar in that video. Let's just say something happened to it and let's just not go there, alright?
And then after that, I have to do a calisthenics finisher, 5 rounds for time, 20 more push-ups. Oh my god, technically 30 push-ups because it's 20 wide and then 10 close. And then 5 inchworms, that's fine, I can do that. 10 double unders. I don't know what a double under is. I think that's just jump roping, right? I'm just gonna jump rope. And then 20 jumping jacks. Did I say this is gonna be fun? That was before I read the workout. Holy shit, this is gonna be freaking tough, man. But I'm freaking tough, so I can do it. I guess we should get started, man. This is gonna take a minute. Okay. 25. Woo.
I think there's 24.
24. Oh shit. 25. Oh my god, that was a terrible rap. An idea for the pull-ups. Voila, a pull-up bar. Perhaps not. I ain't doing that. Alright, it's time. Let's try this calisthenics thing out. Here we go. without Coach Suki. That was just as fun as I thought it would be. Everybody should try this at home, because I just want to see if everybody else dies like I just did. On to the food. I need the food. I need to pour me a glass of wine before I start this. How is everyone's day going so far, by the way? I hope y'all are having a good-ass day. So let's see what we have here. Ingredient number 1, 225 grams of all-purpose flour. This guy's using a food processor in this video. Hopefully this works. 225 grams. Let's see.
Oh no!
Oh shit. This is gonna be a mess. Damn, there's a lot of flour, huh? Okay, 226, that'll do. All right, next, 50 grams of, wait, let me grab it. Is this the powdered sugar? 50 grams of powdered sugar. I'm excited. These might turn out good. 50 grams of powdered sugar on the dot, biatch. After that, 9 tablespoons of butter, which seems like a lot. We gotta soften these guys up. Flop it on there. Gotta cut off one section of this. Let's just heat it for like 5 seconds. I don't know. That's probably not long enough. Not at all. That didn't do like anything. Alright, let's try 10 seconds. That should do it. Maybe not. Let's do like 10 more seconds, right? There we go. That's better, right? Yeah, much better. So he said the consistency should be like wet sand. Is that what he said? I don't know. I'm like nervous. Does that not sound good? Is it supposed to smoke like that?
Is it smoky?
Yeah.
No.
We're gonna use the other blender because I don't trust that. Let's unplug this right now. Hopefully this will fit in this blender. My little blender dude. You guys remember him? Let's try this guy. Oh no. That kind of looks like wet sand though. Maybe it was working. Please don't spill everywhere. Please don't spill. You just gotta beat it. I don't want to cook this anymore. It's too hard. Why don't I, genius idea, I should get a spoon. God, slowly, so it doesn't go everywhere. It's getting kind of full. That'll do it, I think. Get out of here, Demon Blend. Is that what it's called? NutriBlend? I'm gonna call it Demon Blend. Everything's sealed tight. All right. Should I just go with it?
It doesn't seem like it's working. Oh no!
I don't know if this will work since I don't have a food processor. Damn it. No, it's still gonna be good. I don't care. This did not foil my plans, okay? No, that didn't help. I feel like such a failure. I'm not a failure, I'm the avatar. Let's try again. Okay, well, moving on. This is as good as it's gonna get. Maybe if I like take it out and I'm just gonna try to manually do this. I'm going to try to be a human blender or human food processor. Aren't we all technically human food processors? All right, let's just take this little guy and there we go. So, oh my god, my hands are gonna feel so nasty doing this. I'm already like cringing at this because I hate, all right, fuck it. We're going in, we're the avatar, damn it. Is that good? I don't know what else to do. I'll just pretend it's Play-Doh. I don't want to eat this. I feel like a clown. I feel like a freaking jester right now. That'll do, right? I don't think that's good enough, but I don't care at this point. Now he says to just roll it up in this stuff, plastic paper stuff, and put it in the fridge, but I just want to be done with this. So I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Okay, so while that's sitting, we're gonna make the you know, the word I hate. We're gonna make that. Okay, now he says to put 150 milliliters of very hot water. Thought I had a measuring cup. Do you guys think I have a measuring cup? Of course I don't. So we're just gonna use this, dude. Yeah, that'll do. Now we're gonna take our sugar and, ow, fuck. How did I even do that? How did I hurt myself? Okay, 75 grams. Damn it, that means I need my scale again. Wait, should I pour this into a bowl here? What? How many grams of sugar did he say? Shit, let me look again. 75 grams of sugar. This is so much sugar. These better be freaking good. Next, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon is probably like that much. No, probably more. That much, yeah. I don't know. He says the tiny whisk it. I don't have a tiny whisk. I'm gonna use it. Wait, I should use a fork, huh? God, I'm so like, so over this right now. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, now I take another bowl and I whisk 2 more eggs. Is that what he said? Should I watch it again to make sure? We're whisking. Technically, we're forking. All right, now we take this evaporated milk. That doesn't make sense. If it's evaporated, then how is it in the can? Because if it's evaporated, it's like in the clouds, right? And then I have to take 85 mil? Is that what he said? I keep forgetting. 85 grams. Wait, 85 milliliter. What am I saying? I'm losing it. So 200 is here. That's probably like 85, maybe a little bit more. Sure, all right, that'll do. Looks delicious. So now we're gonna roll out the dough. Okay, so we're gonna take not a rolling pin because why would I have one of those? We're gonna take this and use it as a rolling pin. Hey, it's kind of working a little bit, sort of. Beautiful. I'm just gonna say that's good. So now we have to take this and put it in our little tray and line the tray. Oh yeah, I'm doing it. Mama Swole is doing it, everybody. Hey, this might actually turn out good. Okay, I'm like a little bit excited. I'm trying not to get too excited because my rule in life is like don't ever get excited for anything. That way you never get disappointed, right? I'm kidding, it sounds so dark. Pretty sure that that's not how it should look, but I don't care. These look like shit. Now we're ready for the other stuff and then we'll just pour it into the thing. Check that out. So, oh shit, I forgot to preheat the oven. Oh my god, looks so good. Oh shit. Hey, it's time everybody, the moment we've all been waiting for. We're gonna pop these guys in the oven. Just sit right there. And now we're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes. If this burns, I swear to God. Okay, everybody, let's see how they turned out. I am nervous. How do you guys think I did? I just burnt myself. Ow. I'm not gonna lie, these turned out surprisingly okay. It's time to taste test them, baby. Oh my God, oh no, that was not a smooth cut. It's still smoking. Just a little, like a little tiny bite. It's actually pretty good. Round of applause to the chef. Thanks for joining me on another episode of Christina's Kitchen. And here we have our next meal that I totally made all by myself. Yeah, hi, could I please order some curry? So since the avatar is a vegetarian, we just got some tofu. Y'all, I'm so exhausted. Being the avatar is freaking tiring, man. So that'll do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. If you've made it this far, you're a real one. You're a real one for real. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to see more from yours truly, Mama Swole. Comment below who else I should eat and train like. And obviously like the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Deuces.